Recording in progress.
Hello, everybody. Let's go over these markets. If you guys need to talk, just go ahead and unmute yourself. And the market's been looking good. This is what we predicted on Freedom Week right here. We said the US 30 was going to go up. We're looking at it from a day perspective. But as we've seen, this is what we predicted to go up, and it's way up, which is great. We also had gold we predicted to go up, and it went way up. This is when we predicted it right here. It went way up for the whole week. And now it has come back down. Beautiful. And gold tends to do that, go up and down, up to down in the same kind of patterns. I was looking at Nas 100, it's way up. Bitcoin, we predicted Bitcoin to go up right here. And look what happened to Bitcoin. If you would have got it during Freedom Week, that was November 5th right here. And it was at $71,000. And now Bitcoin is at 86,000. It went all the way to 90,000 on Monday. We also had Apple going up. Apple's been way up from where it was. We also had Amazon. Amazon's way up. We had it right here. Boom, it's away. And we had Tesla to go way up. And Tesla just went up more than anything else. We talked about Tesla. It was at like 250, yeah, November 5th. Yeah, it was at it was about 246. And look, it went up $100. It's at 350 right now, which is really the best one out of all. And that was the one that if we knew that Donald Trump won, it was going to go up high. I mean, people could have made millions of dollars on this trade alone by Tesla going up 100. If you had just put a trade on it, it would have been just crazy. But let's go ahead and do what we always do. We're going to go through the 4 steps of looking over trades. And the first thing we're going to do is go to the news. So let's go to the news. Make sure it's on the right day, November 12th. November 12th. Beautiful. 6:04. That's what time we are, so we don't have to set the time. And let's look through here. We don't really have any big news out at 4:30, so that's not going to affect us. So it looks like clear selling from here. Let's look back one day and see that there was a bank holiday yesterday. So there was really no trading or anything going on in the United States yesterday. Canada also had a holiday. Let's see if there is this Veterans Day for them too. So they had Remembrance Day in Canada, and we have Veterans Day in San Diego, California. Veterans Day. All right. Let's look what's going on tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to have the CPI, the interest rate reports, and that's going to be big. Let's see. This might be the yearly one. Oh, this is a month. So that's going to be pretty big because we're going to have the interest rate for the month tomorrow. That's going to be huge. So that's going to be real big news, and the market's going to move. That's one of the biggest events of the month. That and unemployment for the month is really huge. The FOC member is going to speak. Those are pretty big events too, and it's kind of weird how those aren't read. Plus, the federal budget balance comes out. So tomorrow's going to be a big day for the news. Big day. Let's see. Looks like Elon Musk is going to get a position in Trump's board. I don't know what he's going to be doing. So must be the new Kissinger helping broker a deal between Washington and Beijing. One businessman, even the richest in the world, will not be enough to improve relations the way Kissinger was once able to, said Senator of China. So China and United States are pulling further apart with their economies, and Elon Musk is trying to bring it back together, but I don't know what Elon Musk's position would be. No, he was a top campaign donor. Well, that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to read about that, but wow, he might be a diplomat. So he has all that money. The people want power. All right, so let's look over gold and see if there's anything with gold going on today. Gold went up $6 in the last 24 hours. And so it's finally confirmed. It took like a week, but the Republicans won the Senate majority, the Congress majority. That's the House of Representatives, Congress, and they won the presidency. So whatever Trump wants to do, he should be able to do because all the people are going to vote for what he wants because they got the most power. So that's pretty cool. And it hasn't really been like that since Trump's last term. The first 2 years, Republicans had the Senate, Congress, and the presidency. And Biden never had that, and Obama never had that his 8 years. So that's very substantial. They should be able to do more stuff when they got everybody voting with them. Pretty cool. Let's look at crypto. Crypto's been going up the most, um, but look at today. It's like a bloodbath. Ethereum's down, but Ethereum went way up. It's at 3,200. It was at 2,000 something. So we kind of see the economy trying to come back to where it was a little bit. It's not going to go all the way where it was, but XMR, that's pretty cool. All right. Let's go ahead and get out of here. And let's look at the markets now. So with the US 30, our number one traded item that I love, we can go down to we see that it's going up. I'm looking down here on the bottom right. Let's look at the heat map and let's see. US 30. Let's look at the day. So Apple went down 1%, Microsoft 1%, CMR went up. There's a couple good things. What we see here is a balanced market. We're gonna start trading at 6:30. So we're just doing the research. 6:30 is when the market opens. So that's when you guys need to be ready with your demo accounts ready to go. We see US 30 isn't really too hot to trot. Let's see the NAS 100. The NAS 100 we see is pretty down. We see a lot of red. The only thing that's green is Google and Tesla is way green. But this is a red market. A lot of things are down. Tesla kind of stabilized that downward trend. Yeah, let's look at the top 500 companies. It's going to kind of look the same. Got a lot of red. Some green here and there, though. The financial institutions are up. That's a good thing. But electronic technology is down, most of it. The technology services kind of split. Retail is down. We need this to go way down so our prices can go back to normal because prices are just outrageous right now. Let's go to Apple. And all you do is click on the one on TradingView, and then you can go down here and kind of read the stuff, hit the matrix, financials, technicals, forecast. And this is how you look at stocks. You want to look at overall, you can look at their statements, right? The quarters, you're worried about the quarters. What does it look like? They're going up or down. Dividends, are they paying out? Yeah, they're paying out. Apple's always paying out its earnings. Did it make money? Did it report losses? Did it lose money? That's what you really care about. And when you're looking at stocks, see, we can look at Amazon, we can look at Tesla, it's the same thing. You can see, look how Tesla grew. Really huge, right? The automotive was 10 billion. The energy was 1 billion when 2017. Now, when we see 2023, it was 90 billion for the automotive and 6 billion for the energy and storage. And so the energy and storage is almost as big as what the whole company was doing way back in 2017. This is a really good stock right now. Let's look at the technical indicators are telling us to buy Tesla. So we could buy Tesla today. That looks like a good thing. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon is telling us to buy the summary. The moving averages are saying it's a strong buy, but we got to be careful because the oscillators are saying that we should be selling. Only one says to buy, six are neutral, and four are to sell. The oscillators are the ones that tell us the volatility, tell us if it's overbought or oversold. So this is saying it's overbought right now. So you got to be careful on Amazon. With Tesla, there's a strong buy. Everything is saying a buy. There's a couple neutral things, which means it's probably not going to go straight up. So that's a good buy also. We already looked at Apple, but Apple's saying to sell, sell, sell. So now let's go into the economy and let's see. Apple saying to sell. And let's see where Apple is. So Apple's going to open up higher and it's saying to sell. Let's look at the 15 minutes. We had a buy before the market closed yesterday. That could have made everybody money. So it looks like Apple's going to come back down. And you can kind of see that from yesterday. This is the area where it took like a steep dive. Boom. So it worked its way back up and it looks like it's going to come back down again. We can kind of look at support and resistance and see that also. Amazon is going to start really high. And so we can see that there was this kind of general since Thursday going down. But we see before Thursday or in the beginning of Thursday, it went up super high. And then it started going down since Thursday. And so it's saying it's going to go up again. Tesla has just been going up like crazy. And it's saying that's going to go higher. But what we see is it's going to start right here around, it says 349. So this line right here is going to start right here on this orange. That's the pre-market. And so it's saying that's going to go up. So it could actually go up $10 today. And that's a good, Tesla's a good trade for us to make. So what do we think is what's going to happen on the US 30? US 30, this right here, this happened at 5:15. No, no news happened or anything. It just shot up. Man, that's big. Usually that would be caused by like something in the news. At five, I mean, nothing is even around that time. This little shoot up right here is like, wow. This will be hard to trade today because look at all these candles, how they're regular. And then you just got some stuff that fired up. Like right here, it fired way up. So this was the start of the market yesterday, and we're on a holiday. And it went up like, wow, went up $200 that quick. So when you see when it goes up, shoots up really quick, it kind of has a tendency to shoot back down over time. And so that's what happened right here. So it shot up and it's starting to go back down. This is going to be difficult because, yeah, I would stay away from US 30. Even though I always love trading US 30, this is going to be difficult. Let's just make a trade though, but just know that just do this on like demo. So we're going to want this to go up. So let's put a line right here and we're going to say this is going to go up. So we got an arrow going up for here. This is a buy. And we'll switch this wherever when the market starts, we'll switch it to be right there because it's still going down right now. You know, you probably like the best buy would be like right here because we see that this is where the support is. So, you know, we really want to buy like around this area right here. But we got to see, you know, where the market's going to be at. We still got about 12 more minutes before the market opens. So let's just we want to buy within these two frames right here. Let's go to gold. Gold been on an upward since the morning, 2 o'clock. And also, I like to look at the bot. What's the bot saying? So the bot said a half an hour ago to sell, and you see it went way down here. And so I'm just going to take the bot on this trade. The bot told us to sell right there too. Sell right here. Because of this 30 minutes sell, the last 30 minutes, we're going to take gold going down. Let's erase some of this other stuff. Ugh. So we're going to take gold going down right here. We want to take it. Sell on gold. We got a buy on US 30. The Nas is just going up and down. We're not going to do anything on that. Let's look and see what the end. We got a sell right here on the last 15 minutes. If we would have got that, look where it went down. We would have made some money off that. That was very good. Very good. The bot. See if the bot has anything else. 4 hours, the bot has a buy for the last 4 hours down here, and we see it's going up. But I don't know if it's going to even go to this level. We want to buy down there, and that's a buy at, it needs to drop down 800 points for us to buy. So we're going to kind of avoid a buy on here. So we want to buy at 85,286, and we'll probably sell around 87, 88, 3,000 up. That would be a long-term trade that we would make. Let's see here. Well, we got a buy right here in the last 15 minutes, and it's going up. So we're going to take that, take what the bot told us to buy right here, and it's up already. So if it goes back to that area, we want to buy again. Bot called out a buy on Apple, but it needs to go down to 223 to get that one. All right, let's go back to US 30 and let's see if the bot called out any buyer sales lately. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Go ahead. You can unmute yourself if you have any questions. All right, so we got a buy right here at 44330 on US 30. Let me run our trades. We got a sell, and it's already kind of going down right now. We got a sell on gold at 2614. We got a buy on Bitcoin, but it needs to be way down. It's not to buy right now. And it's funny how the bot gave out a sell right here, right? And we would have won because it's going down. But we should probably get out right here around where we should buy at. And right here, it's like the S&P is perfect. It's right here where we should be buying at. So that looks like a good buy. Oh, it's a little higher. It needs to be down here a little more. So yeah, we got some good trades. We got a buy for Apple. A buy for Tesla. I think it was a sell for Apple, right? Yeah, it's a sell on Apple. Buy on Amazon, buy on Tesla. Let's look at oil. Oil's been going up, 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 and away. It's crazy. Could have bought it right here. All right, well, get your trades ready to go. Got US 30. Where is my phone at? Oh, phone right here. All right, I'm gonna put some trades in. So go ahead if you have your demo account open. You want to buy. This is a good area right here for US 30 to buy. Bitcoin is way too kind of far unless it goes down there that we can buy. But right now, it's not right where we want it. It's like $1,000 something up. So US 30 and gold, those are the only ones that we're gonna do right now. So US 30, we want to buy, and we want gold to be a sell. And where are we looking at to buy? To buy US 30 is at 44. 330. And we want to sell gold at 2006.14. I'm gonna go ahead and go on my phone and put these trades in. It's very easy with the sway accounts to do on your phone. Right here. So the market's about to open. Let's zoom in and look at what's going on here. We already got the market moving in the right direction. We had US 30 buying at that area. It already hit right here in the last like 2 or 3 minutes and went up from there. And the market hasn't even opened yet, but that looked like a great one. There it is. The market just opened and went up. But we could be out of the trade right now. We should be out of the trade. You guys should all be out of the trade. And we won right there. That was beautiful. And that's a lot of money. We just won. So go ahead and get out of that. If it goes back down, we can get it again. But that's what we wanted to happen right there. Let's look at gold and see if it did what we wanted. Gold actually went down from where it was right here. We could still be in gold. I didn't put a gold trade in. I just did US 30. But US 30, look at what we got from that. That was just beautiful. Hopefully you guys are in a demo account. You guys took that trade and got out. You guys are looking real healthy right now. Depending on how many lots you had. If you had one lot on that, you could have made. Let me just show you. Oh, let me plug in my. Get my. Did anybody take that demo trade? Anybody take that demo trade? Go ahead and unmute yourself. If you did take that demo trade, you would have won. You're out of it right now. It might come back down. We might want to get in it one more time. But that was beautiful. We had it exactly right. Look at the gold too. The gold isn't moving as fast, but the gold did go down like we expected since the last. I said at this line right here, and I put that line back like when we first started talking, and look at it. We could have got in, now it's down. We could have been done with that trade. Look at US 30. It went back down right here while we were talking, and look what happened. It went right back up. So if anybody else got it at the first line, I was going to wait till it hit the second line, but it hit that first line and it went straight back up. You could have won again on that. So it's just great that we mapped everything the way it's supposed to be. Let's look at Tesla. Was supposed to start down low where it did. Beautiful. And now we can get Tesla to go up. And Amazon started low. The market started way low, and now we can get Amazon going up. And watch Amazon and Tesla start taking off. This is a good place right now because it's where the market closed at, and the market opened and went down on the Tesla, and it's ready to jump back up. All right, that's Amazon. Tesla, the same thing. If we could have got it, it's going up already. So we got 4 things. We want Apple to go down. Apple's going down. So looks like we did a good job. Does anybody have any questions? Go ahead and unmute yourself if you have any questions. Anybody have any questions? Well, that's good when there's no questions. But that was a great day in trading. US 30 going down that far. I didn't get the second one because I was talking, but if it goes back down in between here, you can get it probably one more time and then we're done trading after that. But Tesla right now, if you can get Tesla to go up, it's beautiful because it's underneath the Bollinger Bands right now. And we are predicting it to go up, and it's opened up really good and low. Same thing with Amazon. Amazon took it down, and this looks like it's going back up. We had that going up, so that's good. And if you get Apple, the bot called it going up, but we seen that it should go down today. So probably at the end of this day, it's going to be down. But Amazon and Tesla are really good to grab. See, look, Tesla, if we would have got it down here, look, it's already shoving its way back up. Could have made some money with that. And what we'll see with Amazon too, it was down here and look, and it's starting to push back up. Since we've been talking about this, we're looking at US 30 and gold though. Look at gold. We had gold going down. What happened with gold? It's going down. So everything that we predicted today was good. We went over the markets. We predicted great today. And the 4 things that we really spent our time with all happened the way that we wanted them to happen. So you guys should be on demo accounts. You guys should be making a lot of money right now. And I wish somebody would say, hey, I was listening to you and it did exactly what you said. And here it is right here. US 30 is going back down. Let's get it one more time. If he goes in between those 2 green lines, we want to get US 30 again. And where should we have a stop loss at? Okay, so if we wanted to go at least to here, right? This is how you do your stop loss. Let's say in the middle of here, we wanted to go all the way to right here, and that's when I told you guys to get out, even though it went higher. But that's 487 pips. That's big money. If you would have just had one lot on there, you would have made $500-$600 off of that, just on that little movement. And we could have got it twice already, right? So you would go down before, so you would be right about here. This is where you would put your stop loss. You would put your stop loss at 44296. It never even came close down here. So the next time you get it in here, just set your stop loss for that level right there, and then you're good. So I'm looking for one more trade. I'm waiting for it to go down just a little bit more. And I'm going to get in this trade. But the stop loss is 4 4 2 9 6 is a stop loss. All right, we're waiting for it to go a little bit lower. I'm going to take it one more time. Hopefully, you guys are out. If you took the gold, you want to get out of gold. It was at a good profit. Let's look at gold one more time. Gold went way down here. You guys should have been out. Now it's back up here again. You guys could take it one more time going down. And I'm more focused on US 30. US 30 is going to make you more money than gold. It might already be going. This might be the best support right here, this green line. I'm going to be more conservative and wait for it to go down further, but it's already starting to go back up after it hit that green line. So let's look right here. We're on gold. Gold went back up over the line. It's a good trade right now to get into gold. It's already starting to look like it's going to go down. So there it is, gold right there. If you guys got in, it's already going down. You guys are looking good again. If you did get into gold up around this area right here, you know, probably get out. Don't even wait for it to get all the way low as where it was. You might want to get out around here this time. That would be $2 down. That's good money. Don't get greedy on gold. It's in an uptrend right now, and we're going against the trend. So just get in. We're scalping this one more. The US 30, look what happened. It hit that green line again. It went straight back up. I wanted it to go a little lower. It didn't do what I wanted, but it did do what we said was going to happen. So if you guys are less conservative of me, you guys won again. That could have been 3 trades that you guys won with US 30. So all in all, is really good, you guys. You know, we said to get in at 330. 330 is the good best place to get in, but 3435 is good. And right now it's $60 up, and you guys are out of there. You know, that's good money. You really want to be out right now. If you did get in that trade when it hit the green this last 5 minutes, you're out. You went up 500 pips right now, you're done. You don't need to wait for it to go up any higher. You're out. That's a good amount of money. Like, think about if you traded over here, how long will it take you to get 500 pips? Let's just say you took this sell right here. Like, that's 200 pips. That's an hour later. This is 4 hours later, and it went 300 pips down. This is 7 hours, and it went 400 pips down. You get what I'm saying? Almost 8 hours to go 330 pips. And now that we're trading right here, right? We could have got in right here and got out right there, 400 and something pips. What, in 5 minutes? What it took 7 hours that it couldn't do in 7 hours, it did it in 5 minutes right now. So that's why we trade on the opening bell. We trade for those little spurts. So, you know, we got it going. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and get a picture of that. And here we go again. It went way down here. We could have got out again. If you got an in up here, you should have already got out. So this was a sell for us. Apple was a sell. Look, Apple's still going down, but it started popping back up. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon, remember I told you to buy? Look where it was right here. And I was like, get into the buy. Look what happened to it. And let's see if Tesla went back up. Tesla was way down here, and now it's going up. I mean, those are 4 trades right now that we could have all made a lot of money on. Lots of money. You know, here goes gold going back down, right? When we called that going down. So we took 4 trades and we went off 4. Do you guys have any questions? That's it. That's all we need to do. You know, we research for, 25 minutes at 6 o'clock. As soon as the opening bell, get ready with your trades for the last 5 minutes, right? Research for the first 25 minutes, put in the trades for 5 minutes right before the market's going to open, right? And then boom. And then we get out of the trades. Look, now it's 6:43, basically 13 minutes later, and we're done for the day trading. There's no need to trade anymore today. Look at this. Look at US 30, what happened to US 30. Look how high it went. If somebody, let's just say somebody said, oh, I stayed in, I didn't get out when you told me to. Well, that's great because now you would have made almost 700 pips. You know, that would have been great money for you today. Who wants to make $700 before they go to work, right? On a little trade. It's beautiful. Remember I told you about US 100, the Nas 100. I said, don't do this trade because it's just up and down. Look what happened. It started right here. It went up. It went down. It's just playing around. So we didn't need to get into that. Right? Look at Bitcoin. I said when Bitcoin hits right here, what do I say? Buy. Look what happened. Bitcoin went all the way to right here. This is only 15-minute candles. So during our time talking, since 6:30, it went all the way down where I told you to buy at. As soon as it hit the line, what happened? It went straight back up. Straight back up $800. You guys don't even want to, you guys will get sick to your stomach because watch this. If we would have took the trade, like I was saying, it was going to go up right here. Look where it's at. 900 pips, 940 pips. Now it's 1,000 pips. You'd have made $1,000 on trading Bitcoin if you would have just waited for it to go to that level. 1,047 pips. And we were on every single thing that we called out today. Amazon going up. It started right here. Amazon went way up. Tesla, way down here when I said to get it. Look where it's at now. Apple, I said it was going down. It's still red going down. We don't even want to mess with Apple. Tesla, Amazon, US 30, and gold. Beautiful trades. Here it is again. Look, it hit the line again and it's going back down. On gold, you could have got in again one more time, but we don't have to get greedy. We're done. We're done trading. This US 30 was enough for us to just say, hey, we're done today. So great job, you guys. Proud of you guys. I want you guys to, today's Tuesday. I want you guys to call me later today if you don't have your demo account set up, and I want to set it up with you personally because you guys should be hitting this money. And some of you guys could put $100, $200 into a real account, and I could show you. You could have just traded for point. You could have traded for 1 penny, right? Let me show you what that would do. So if you would have got in, traded for a penny, we would have got in right here. Let's just say we got out up here. So you would have made $5. You'd have made $5 right here. If you were trading for 10 cents, you would have made $54 right there. And you could trade for 10 cents on like $100 to $200. But let's start out trading demo or trading for 1 cent. So then, if you push the wrong button or something or go the wrong way, it's no big deal. Here goes gold going back down like we said. Look at Tesla going up. Come on, you guys. This is another one where we can get Amazon again. If it hits back to where it was, grab it one more time. Tesla's a really good trade, though, because we know that he's so plugged in and it's been moving and grooving. So here it is. If it goes back down and hits our lines, then we'll get it one more time if we want to. If not, we did good. We did exactly what we were supposed to do, and we won. Let's see. I took a picture. I don't even know what picture I took. Let me see here. I took a screenshot of our trades. All right, so I got two. This was a buy way up. We won on that one. And this is the sell on gold and it went down. So those are the two trades that we really hit on the nail. And if this goes down one more time, US 30, we could buy one more time. But, you know, the volatility is going to start going down. The first half an hour is when the volatility is the most, 6:30 to 7. We should be done trading in that half an hour. Some trades it might not be moving as fast, so we could stay in them, for a little bit more time, maybe till 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock at the most. Here it is right here. So it's down where we wanted it again. And so, if it hits that bottom line, I'll probably grab this. Let me see. I might grab this. It needs to be down a little further. It's not down as far as I want it to be. US 30. We want to buy. What did we say the stop loss was? 44296, 44296. So I'm gonna buy right there. Four. And I'm in profits already. On my phone, I'm already in profits. And so if you put 5 lots on here, you're up $300 right now on 5 lots. Just that little movement. That's what you guys don't understand. I'm good right there. I'll go ahead and get out the market. It went up to $400. I got out. You can get up. You can get in one more time. It's back where it was. You guys, that simple trade right there, you guys could all do that same thing. And you're done. That's how fast the market moves at 5 lots, 1 lot. But you guys start out at like a 0.01, 0.05, 0.5, 0.1. You're good. You don't have to be you don't have to always be in big trades for big lots. I want you guys to start out with little lot trades and work your way up, because all you have to do is, let's say you're doing a trade for 0.01, that's for 1 penny a lot. I mean, for 1 penny every pip that it goes up. But all you got to do is just tell yourself, like, okay, if I did it for $1, right? Let's say you did it for a penny and it goes up 50 cents. Okay, so for $1, that 50 cents would have been what? $50. So when you're doing a penny, it's 50 cents. When you're doing $1, it's $50. So I want you guys to get used to doing that. I want you guys to get used to understanding that. Very, very simple. Very simple. This is the area right here that you can get in again for. Super low. I like it right here for a buy. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see if it pulls back like I think it's going to pull back even higher. And then don't stay in these trades too long. Beautiful, beautiful day. And so does anybody have any questions or anything? If not, we had another exciting day. Let's look at Tesla. It's still going up, you guys. Amazon, what happened? Amazon's going way up like we thought. Look at gold going down like we said. Beautiful. Man, it's like everything that we said worked out. It's a beautiful day of trading when everything starts working out like that. All right, you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's win more tomorrow morning. Let's make sure everybody's on the demo account. If you're not on the demo account or don't have real money or need help setting it up, call me up later today. Call me up around like 4, 5, 6 o'clock today, and let's get you set up so you can start trading the markets tomorrow and getting used to it. All it takes is you to trade a little bit of demo, get used to it, and then we're gonna win together. Okay. All right, you guys, I did get in that trade right here, and it already went up all the way here. I'm done. I'm out of that trade again. And man, what a beautiful day of trading today it was, you guys. What a beautiful day. All right, you guys, have a great day. See you guys tomorrow. God bless.